Hi, my name is Dr. Marie Downing, and I am going to be your instructor for the course. I wanted to take the time to welcome you all and to show you a few things that I think are going to help you to be successful in the course. One of the first things I want you to do is make sure that you go to the interactive course syllabus in your class. So you sign into your Moodle class, you're in the beginning word processing, and you're going to click on Interactive Course Syllabus. Once you open that up, it's going to have information for you to fill out. It's got your name, your email address. There's some other, you have to fill in some acknowledgments along the way. One thing you see is my email address here. Make sure that you use my email address, this one, the mdowning@bcconline.com. That's the one that I check every day. Let's see what else. I've got the student learning outcomes, which you're going to learn during the course. Some of our course content is here. You'll see that. You go down and there's the textbook. You want to make sure that you have the correct textbook. So it's the Microsoft Word 2016 Comprehensive Labyrinth Learning 2017. Here's your ISBN number. It's by Jill Murphy. So make sure that you do have the correct book. Let's see, some more acknowledgments. The category, the assignments, discussions, quizzes, your final exam, what percentage they are of your overall grade, how many points things are worth, and then just the basic stuff for a syllabus. Okay, so you want to make sure that you go through and that you do that. Another thing that you want to make sure that you look at, sorry for the scroll there, is the proctor form. The proctor form needs to be completed if you are not going to take your final exam at Barstow Community College or at the Fort Irwin Satellite Campus. So if you're going to take your final anywhere else, it needs to be proctored, and it needs to be proctored by somebody that I have approved. So go through and read the general guidelines. It'll tell you who's acceptable as a proctor, but go ahead and fill out this form and send that information to me, and in the beginning of the class I will either approve or disapprove the proctor for you. If the proctor's disapproved, then I'm going to help you find somebody else. Okay, there's also ProctorU that you can use. ProctorU, it's something you have to complete it by this information here by the second week of the class, and it's $25 to take the exam, but you don't have to go anywhere, so you can do it from your home. So that's a good option for you if you do not have a proctor that you can go to, or if you're not close to the school. Okay, so you want to make sure that you read the syllabus. You want to complete your proctor form. You want to make sure that you have the correct textbook for the class. Here's the textbook that you're going to be using. Okay, so it's the Microsoft Word 2016, the Comprehensive. Okay, and inside the front of this textbook, there's an activation code. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. Okay, it's an activation code. You are going to need to complete that activation code ID, and that's going to give you the information that you need to get access to the Labyrinth website. You do need to do that. So you're going to complete that code, or complete that, what do they call it here? Use the activation ID. So use that activation ID, and then they're going to send you a code, and that code is going to get you into the website. You have to have access to the website. That website is where you're going to get your student files and all kinds of other information that we use during the class. Okay, so make sure that you do that. So you've got your website set up, you have your textbook, the correct textbook. Other than that, this class is going to go really fast. We only have 6 weeks together, and that last week is going to be your final. So you want to make sure that you do all of the work. I know it may seem overwhelming, but really it's doable, and I think you'll enjoy it once you get into it. So make sure you do all of the work, complete all of your assignments. It may seem like a discussion question really isn't worth that many points, so you may just want to skip it. Well, overall, if you keep skipping discussions and not participating in them, you lose points, and it ends up negatively affecting your grade. So do everything that you can to complete all of the assignments and to complete them on time. If you have any issues along the way, if something comes up and you can't complete an assignment, make sure that you let me know. Key is to communicate with me and to let me know what's happening, and I can always try and help you out. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Remember, I'm here for your success. I am going to complete another video for you that will help you with getting onto the Labyrinth website. Okay, so I look forward to the class with you.